Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today, I want to introduce myself to all of you. Are you ready? Let's go. Hello everyone. My name is Chidi Easy. I am 8 years old, and it's so nice to meet you all. I have a hobby that I absolutely love. Can you guess what it is? That's right. I love helping my mom to clean the house. Sweeping floors, cleaning windows, and dusting are some of the things I enjoy doing. It makes me feel happy and helpful. Now, let's talk about school. I'm in grade 2, and my homeroom teacher is Mrs. Juliana Silva. She's really nice and helps me learn a lot. My favorite subjects are science and math. Do you like those subjects too? Let me know in the comments below. I have some amazing friends at school. Their names are Sujin A, Estelle Darcy, and Taylor Alonso. We have so much fun together. I'm really lucky to have them in my life. And now, let's talk about food. Yum! My favorite food is cake, and my favorite drink is milk. What are your favorites? I'd love to know. Before I go, I want to remind you of some important rules to stay healthy, especially during a pandemic. First, keep yourself and your surroundings clean. Second, wash your hands diligently after every activity. Third, don't forget to wear a mask when you go out. And lastly, use sanitizer whenever you touch something. That's it for today, friends. Thank you for watching my video. Now, it's your turn. Introduce yourself in the comments below. I'd love to learn more about you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my fun videos. Bye for now.